Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shot my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Mailan Indriani, NPM 2341105 from Management Class 23D. Here, I will explain the business visibility study course material regarding an introduction to business visibility studies. Business visibility study is an activity that studies in depth about a business or venture that will be run in order to determine whether or not the business is worth running. Studying in depth seriously examine existing data and information, then measure, calculate, and analyze using certain method. Eligibility. This means that in-depth research is carried out to determine whether the business being run will provide greater benefit than the cost incurred. A business carried out whose main objective is to obtain financial profit. Next measure of business visibility. The visibility measure for each type of business are different, but the aspect used to assess whether it is visible or not are the same, namely legal aspect, market aspect, financial aspect, operational aspect, management and organizational aspect, social, economic aspect, and environmental aspect. Number 1. Legal aspect. The legal aspect covers all forms of business permits, legal entity establishment, and compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Business owners must ensure their venture has obtained all required licenses such as business permits, location permits, environmental permits, and tax obligations. This aspect also includes the protection of intellectual property rights such as trademark, copyrights, and patents. Legal compliance is crucial to avoid disputes, penalties, or forced shutdowns. Furthermore, legal assurance builds trust among informed partner and customer and supports the long-term sustainability of the business. Number 2. Market and marketing aspect. The market and marketing aspect examines how well a product or service can compete in its intense market. This includes identifying target customer, analyzing demand trends, market size, competition, pricing strategies, and promotional tactics. It also considers how products are positioned and distributed. A good understanding of market behavior and customer preference enables companies to formulate precise marketing strategies. This aspect is vital to determining whether the business idea has strong market potential and how it can be successfully introduced and sustained in the market. Number 3. Financial aspect. The financial aspect is one of the most critical parts of business visibility because it evaluates whether a business can be profitable. This analysis includes estimating initial capital, identifying funding source, cash flow projection, income statement, balance sheet, and financial visibility indicators such as net present value, NPV, internal rate of return, and payback period. The primary objective is to determine if the project is financially viable and capacity of generating profit in the short and long term. Investors and financial institutions often use this aspect as a benchmark for funding decisions. Number 4. Management and organization aspect. This aspect focuses on the organizational structure, managerial capability, and operational system of the business. It outlines who will lead the business, how decisions are made, and how tasks are allocated across departments. A clearly defined structure and a component leadership team are crucial for efficient operational and long-term success. Additionally, these aspects include human resource planning, communication, system, and performance evaluation method. Good management is essential in driving business strategy and ensuring the business adapt to internal and external change. Next, number 5, technical or production aspect. The technical or production aspect refers to how a product or service is created and delivered involves selecting a business location, designing facilities, choosing appropriate technology, calculating production capacity, and managing the supply of raw materials and labor efficient. Technical operational can reduce production costs and improve product quality. This aspect also covers logistics and supply chain planning, ensuring that production methods align with business goals and environmental standards is key to sustainability and competitiveness. Number 6, social and economic aspect. This aspect evaluates the impact of the business on the community and the surrounding economy. It considers job creation, income distribution, economic development, and contribution to public welfare. A business that positively affects society not only gains public support but also enhances its corporate reputation. This aspect assesses whether the business contributes to economic equity or creates social gaps. It is important in evaluating the broad implication of a business beyond just profitability. Number 7, environmental aspect. The environmental aspect assesses how business activities affect the natural surroundings. It includes the use of natural resources, potential pollution, waste management, and effort to mitigate environmental impacts. Businesses are often required to conduct environmental impact assessment or submit environmental management documents to operate legally, respecting environmental regulation, ensure sustainable business operational, and prevent legal or reputational issues. Companies that actively promote eco-friendly practices often gain a competitive advantage and public goodwill. Next factor causing failure in the business feasibility studies. Number 1, incomplete data. Incomplete data fails data will hinder the analysis process. Number 2, wrong work execution while activity implementers who work do not comply with the SOP. Number 3, neutral. The research mistake was not being careful, not understanding enough in analyzing document. Number 4, environmental condition. Change in the economic, political, social environment, community behavior, and even natural disaster can certainly have an impact on the result of the analysis. Number 5, miscalculation. Error in using formula and method resulting in inaccurate ratio. Number 6, intentional element. Researchers who deliberately make mistakes in analysis for various reasons. Next, business feasibility study objective. Number 1, avoid the risk of loss. Number 2, makes planning easier. Number 3, makes work easier. Number 4, makes supervision easier. Number 5, makes contract easier. Number 6, help in decision making. That's all the material I can convey. I thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.